Yo! Yo! How did you get here?
Oh, I walked here.
And here we have Moses, the friend who's always getting into people's stuff. You can't even take your eyes off of him for a second.
No. Hey, Caleb, who is this guy? Why is he here?
Well, Mom, this is Moses.
Hi.
I invited Moses for a sleepover, so is it okay if Moses could stay here for the night for a sleepover?
Okay, let me think about it. I guess it's okay. We have enough space and it'd be a good idea so you can experience and have a sleepover.
Thank you. Wow, what is he got here? Who's this guy here? Yeah, who's that? Well, you haven't seen me yet. I am Moses, and Caleb invited me for a sleepover. Yes, and he's got a... Oh, snap. What? Hey, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. You can stay with the room until I get out. And you two, you watch hunting for me? Oh, I bet. Okay. Good deal. Alright, cool.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some more food. Bye. Okay, one more thing. I have some food in the oven in case you boys get hungry.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, those shoes look as good as new. What the? Where did my shoes go? Moses, have you seen my... No, Moses, wait. What's going on, Caleb? Who made all the oranges? Sorry, guys, that was Moses. He took my shoe, he was running away with my shoes on without asking them. And now he ate all the oranges too. Let's go catch him. Hey, Moses, where are you going? We just wanted to talk to you. Yeah. Moses, come back. Whoa. What do you two think you're doing? And why is Moses in my room? Because Moses has been taking other people's stuff without permission. Yeah. He took my shoes and he ate all the oranges. Well, talking about taking other people's stuff without asking, someone took my toothbrush and my toothpaste. Moses? Yes? Looks like we do need to have a talk. Come here, Moses. Hey, is that my iPad? Ooh, now you're really in trouble now. Mayday! Hey, get back here. Moses, I'm gonna whoop you with our mom's slipper if you don't come back here. You asked for it. No, please don't, please, no. Never take other people's stuff without permission, sucker. Oh, come on. Make that touchdown. Yeah. Well, he literally scored that. Oh my God. Dang. God, Kyle, what happened? Are you okay? I don't know what happened, but let's finish watching the football game, shall we? Well, okay. Right. Oh my God. Oh, what did I... Oh, that's what I ate. I ate Taco Bell. That'll definitely do it. Wonder why. God, jeez. Yeah. Whew. I might have to get to the bathroom. I think that's what I have to do. Oh no,